Bike Mechanic Moral Story.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a skilled bike mechanic named Raj. He was known far and wide for his ability to fix any bike, no matter how broken or damaged. Despite his talent, Raj was a very humble and kind-hearted man. One day, a wealthy man from a neighboring town brought his expensive bike to Raj for repairs. The bike was in a terrible condition, and the man demanded that Raj fix it quickly and perfectly, offering a large sum of money as payment. Raj accepted the challenge and worked tirelessly on the bike. He repaired every part with great care and attention to detail. When he was finished, the bike looked brand new, and the wealthy man was delighted. He paid Raj handsomely and left with his bike, praising Raj's skills to everyone he met. Word of Raj's work spread quickly, and soon, people from all over the region started coming to him for bike repairs. Raj became very busy, but never compromised on the quality of his work. He treated every bike as if it were his own, ensuring that each one was fixed perfectly.